Welcome back. I've been using the Anua 8 Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Gentle Foaming Cleanser as part of my daily skincare routine, and I'm impressed with its performance. This cleanser effectively removes dirt, oil, and debris without stripping my skin, making it a great choice for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. The inclusion of hyaluronic acid and panthenol ensures my skin stays hydrated for long hours, even after cleansing, while also protecting the skin barrier. The creamy foam this cleanser produces makes for a pleasant cleansing experience, and the zinc helps control sebum and prevent breakouts. It's perfect as the second step in a double cleansing routine. Glycerin in the formula provides soothing and hydrating benefits, leaving my skin feeling refreshed and never dry. I appreciate that it is fragrance-free and has been tested to ensure no irritation on sensitive skin. Gentle enough for daily use without irritation. Hydrates the skin without leaving a stripped feeling after cleansing. Balances excess sebum production and promotes a healthy skin barrier. Powerful enough to cleanse away all impurities, including sunscreen. Suitable for all skin types. Fragrance-free. When to apply. Use as the second step of your double cleansing routine after a cleansing oil. Suitable for use every morning and night. How to apply. Apply an adequate amount of cleanser, create enough foam, and gently massage your entire face. Final thoughts. This cleanser comes out of the tube as a thick, cream-like cleanser. It is rich and requires a bit of rubbing to lather up. Unlike some foaming cleansers that strip my skin, this one left my skin feeling plenty hydrated. I liked that it had no smell and was non-irritating. It cleaned my face thoroughly, leaving no film or residue. I highly recommend this product.